Hey guys, it's Johnny Rocket. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. So I originally started off trying to make this a beauty blogger video series and all of that good stuff, and then I realized that I'm just such an in-depth person and I have such different skill set than most people that I figured, you know what, I don't think that beauty is where I want to go. So this is very much about me, my personal life. I'm a comedian, I'm a YouTuber, I am a philanthropist, an entrepreneur, and all of these are big words for I'm a normal person that has goals and dreams in life. And I want to spread my message as much as I can and hopefully touch people in a way that it will benefit them positively in their life. So this is pretty much a blog video. It is about me. It is about the stuff that I do and my personality. And as time passes by, I think I'll get more comfortable with that part of me and that personality and all of that good stuff, because I'm a big personality. I'm a big guy, but I have this big personality and it's hard for people to understand. So thank you guys for coming. Subscribe, like, follow, watch some of my videos, and let me know what you guys think. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you guys so much. Everyone who supported me thus far has been amazing, and I truly wholeheartedly appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.